medicine and spend money on. You said people like carrion. Cause the wall and need to do around all going on. When you see them, that around me, so that around me, so
now I'm unstoppable. You can see me.
Anyway, now welcome back on Top the Night Show. My name is Nedu. I'm Nedu Katim as usual. Now we're to the pilot matter today. Pastor here in all day in travel go for waka in all day. So now we say okay, the topic where somebody send us, problem where somebody send us, make we chook eye on top am.
Because they come, una talk to, you say when we they talk things like this, na person, na real life,
na
something
real life.
Happen.
This one not
be everything for keep for. Una talk true as it be. You know why they talk? Because some of una don't they send us tweet. Because they say no, make she forgive am is the will of God. When I know
Which
talk
will
like
of
that.
God?
When I know talk like that.
See, you see, my problem is say we as Nigerians we not like tell ourselves the truth. We not like tell ourselves the truth. I beg, this person wait, this not a real life story. This girl, I go like make she call. I beg, if now you send us this message for Instagram, I don't want to call your name. I beg, make you call us. If you want make her call your name, send us tweets. Make you call your name, call your full name. No wahala. But if you know make her, if you want call, I beg, make you still call us. Talk, more talk about this matter so that we go know, so that people go hear them for your own mouth. But what will they talk about for this matter? I don't know. I don't know what people they see. I not go like give you. This one now, I not go talk say whether an evil spirit they worry the boy. Because now 15 years old he be.
I mean at that time when he want your experiment.
I mean at that time when he just want experiment what he be to wipe and I don't understand.
How 15 years old boy they think? No, as I know
even if you want to experiment, according to what they get talk, he said probably he do it for some time.
It continues. Not be once.
Not just once. He do it for some time. And
you understand?
They follow and they, you know.
Hi.
According to what she talk.
Eye open.
According to this talk, she said when she realized, it's okay, first me into sex when I was 6, and until he continued till 1998 when I realized that he was doing what he was doing is bad.
Now then she can't open her mouth.
She be no know. He said what in the boy they do.
6-year-old
they bad. 6 years old begin. What do you know?
Naive.
And
you understand?
He not telling Papa, he not telling.
He not telling Papa, he not telling Mama, he not telling anybody. I know somebody. I know call her name. She don't in law school now. This person why they talk. I know call her name. 8 years old now she be. I don't know whether I don't talk this before. 8 years old now she be when the uncle disvirgin her.
Uncle like mama brother.
Mama brother. No, Papa brother. The Papa call later die. 8 years old. And the funny part be say this girl, this uncle will do this thing. So every time now the uncle they come their house, come collect monthly allowance from the Papa of the girl. They come collect monthly allowance from the Papa of the girl. Now the Papa of the girl now build the guy. You know, we make him be what he be. The Papa died. This guy. Anyway, our phone numbers don't go down on top of TV. Make you begin the call us. Make you know what you get to talk about this matter.
And make una dey very honest.
I beg make una talk true.
No, down to earth. Think I'm say if na you or if na your pikin or your sister or person where you know. No yours they say it's yours the will of God or may yours forgive him.
Now who talk say it's the will of God?
Mohammed El Kamal.
Mohammed El Kamal, make she forgive the guy because it's the will of God. How can it be the will of well, who knows? Now only God know how you think they do your own things. And not say not be the will of God. But it gets some kind of where we go see as human being. From your own human being point of view, you go feel judge him and say, no, this cannot be human being. I'm sorry, this cannot be the will of God. But now God, now no pass. So therefore, call us, make we know what you get to talk about this matter. But easy bit, what you feel about this matter? What you feel say make this girl do, and what you feel say make the guy in question do. Because I should say the guy they watch as well as the girl take the watch as well. Because she
but why you go hard for the guy to confess? Or the guy don't marry now.
You don't go let them talk now. You don't go let you go let maybe your previous sin they find you come. You don't go let them talk because number one, first of all, I will first of all say make I just tell those people we believe say to the molest small children, say the thing it makes sense. Make the disease from them. It don't make any sense.
Please, I beg, Mokana begin the calls. Mona give us phone calls, I beg. Mokana begin call us, make we know. Continue.
Those people with the molest children, it don't make sense at all. Make them try disease from them. It don't make sense. And now, for the first sake, many a times, people with this thing they happen to, they find it very difficult to if you talk about them. Because it's in a stigma on top of their life. It affects them any way that they go. They don't if you talk about them. It always worry them. But before person go fit come summon courage, can't tell another person, I can't even tell media house like, oh, say, okay, look, we through this matter. You're going to say, the thing don't pass, where you supposed to take fish, you understand? So, but I go even advise her and say, make she try, forgive the guy. You understand? Make she even pray, forgive the guy, even if the guy not feel come out, can't talk out for public. Because number one, if she still dey keep on for her mind and she no want forgive the guy,
she dey do herself more harm.
She dey do herself more harm. Because like say they are two get one covenant where they drag. And now because of the cause where she lay on top of the guy don't cripple. Who knows? At the end of the day tomorrow, the guy not going to survive him.
So the guy fit go down on top.
The guy not go down on top.
No, you know, see, person fit reason and say, if because say maybe the thing never catch the guy very well. If he catch you very well and that leg they pain you, you go confess.
because no,
you
seriously, that guy, and they
like,
say
yes.
You didn't never hold the guy well.
If that,
he never hold him.
If he hold him very
now
well.
left leg paralyzed, make right leg paralyzed, and make the third leg to make it paralyzed. That time,
then
oh, perhaps, maybe the guy say they think say, na coincidence, not being cause not being cause
you know, some people feel get that kind of strong mind.
I go say na coincidence, not being cause I go say not being cause.
Usman from Abuja, good evening. Make we take your call and what you think about this matter. Usman, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
How you doing, my brother?
I did fine, my chairman.
I beg, you hear this matter what they discuss, Abi?
Yes, this matter, If na will of God, why that guy not carry a preach cotton by himself?
Abi, if na the will of God.
At the end.
So what he...
I said, why the guy, if na will of God, why the guy not carry preach cotton?
Continue. They hear you.
So what is going to happen? If the guy confess, you understand?
Yes.
Make his sister forgive him. Make him use him out confess what he do.
I think.
Okay, so Usman, you now they talk say until the guy confess, make the sister not forgive him.
If the guy confess before the sister forgive him, if he not confess, make him do there.
All right, Usman, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Make the Leroke say, make the lady no forgive him until he confess. I think the suffering never reach. When he reach, I'm sure the guy could confess. Now waiting call me Leroke. Yeah. Now your name be that on top Twitter. Now waiting in talk.
Joseph from Abuja, good evening.
Hello, Nedu.
Joseph, how are you there? Good evening.
Good evening, Katim. I work.
We do.
For that story,
yes.
Yeah, they say that girl need to go confess that to herself. But if the guy refuse, claim, so let me use the word, he rejects what the guy they talk. You understand?
Yes.
Then she go like continue as leave the guy with that paralyzed sickness of a thing. Well, if she come out, they talk. The guy begin the form say, no, it don't happen. That kind of thing don't happen.
Okay. Then make sure
because for the guy now to come go to confess, if you see from what you wanna read now.
Yes.
They don't bring the do am.
Yes.
Not until when the court realize. You understand, Kadim?
Yes.
So now if the girl begin to talk out for the house, the guy begin to talk, no, that can't happen.
They make it
for now, the person her brother. I don't know whether that condition she like him.
So
contribute.
So Joseph now her step brother. Joseph, now what you try talk now be saying? Make she talk the team, or brother, make she gather people, gather the guy, bring the guy as well. Make she talk the team. If the guy is saying a lie, then make the guy continue with the course.
Yes.
All right, Joseph. Thank you very much. Thank you,
Alex.
From Warri, good evening. Sorry, from Warri, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my sister?
Good evening. Are they fine? Kazim, I like your dress.
Thank you, my sister. How now?
Are they fine? Now, for this matter, what would they talk? An abomination be that.
Very big one.
If he say no one confess, that means he go there with the cause like that. So until he recognize say what he do wrong, now he go feel remorse. But if the guy say make he just forgive him like that, he no recognize everything he do wrong.
If he still do him, give another person.
But for yes. So for his own mind, he should be able to come out and know say na bad thing I do. Now go make him feel confess. Say yes, na bad thing I do. Because to say I am sorry no easy.
Okay.
If person don't know what thing do wrong, you know they see the talk story. So make you go confess. Make
All
it
right.
with the court, make it go confess.
All right, Flourish, thank you.
I go show through repentance.
Okay, thank you very much, Flourish. Thank you.
What in Flourish talk makes sense? You
Jerry from PH.
If you don't know what
if you know, exactly. Jerry from PH, good evening.
Good evening, Nedu.
How you doing, my brother?
I'm fine.
I beg this matter, what you get to talk about and what you get to advise this lady?
Oh, okay, Nedu. My advice to the lady is this. It has already happened.
Yes.
Considering the young man here,
Okay.
but at the same time, we should consider the lady.
Okay.
Now, it must not be an open confession.
At all.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
The young lady and the guy, they can meet a priest.
Okay. Just
Let
two
the
of
young
them.
man confess before the priest.
Okay.
And then the priest with the lady, they will forgive the guy. And then he will be healed again.
Okay.
Now, see, secondly, why I said it must not be an open confession is the consequences of this. If you make it more open,
yes.
both the young lady, the family, and the stepbrother, they have a very big step. Now, he didn't tell us, the young lady didn't tell us about if there's anything like
pregnancy or something.
Okay? So, definitely she will get married. We all are sinners. So, let the young man, let the young lady forgive the brother, but let there be a confession.
Before she go forgive him.
It must not be an open confession.
Okay, okay.
That's
okay.
my suggestion.
But make them confess, make him confess before she forgive him.
Yes, you have to confess.
All right, thank you.
right.
Choma from Niger, good evening.
Confess in the open. Make we know. It's true now. You know,
He hard, though.
make it hard.
He hard, though.
No.
Hello.
You know,
Choma,
say-
good evening. Both answer Choma. Choma, good evening.
Nedu.
How you doing, my sister?
Fine.
I beg this matter. What you get to talk about it? What you get to advise this lady?
My dear brother, Oku Adomini.
My sister. Oh, Ezoku Kepuro. You are talking the truth.
The topic is very deep. But what I want to contribute here is, as the thing, the girl is small.
Choma, what did you do? You are lying.
Choma, you're lying.
Them have committed a crime.
Okay.
As long as she was there, she's supposed to tell the mama, say, see what did happen.
Okay.
So, as you not tell anybody till she realize, now we just put and say, two of them are mistakes. Let she just forgive the brother. And let the brother just wipe everything out. Let the family settle the case.
Choma, you know say na 6 years old she be, and the brother be 15 years old. And you know how, the brother...
Now he supposed get sense.
Now he supposed get sense.
At that age, 15 and 6-year-olds, you know if you compare them now.
For this thing, when I read that, he said that they do and they go.
Yeah, after that time, then continue to do
They go
Maybe
for
he tell
long
them say the thing, nothing they wrong with them.
But not true, Sha.
No,
Choma,
the mama there, the papa there. He's supposed to say the mama says, see what
maybe-
happen.
which means she be they enjoy him after the first time.
Which is more pieces enjoying it.
No. Now what did Choma they talk? Now what did she they talk? How they talk?
I no agree because it get some things where you say you know for this our society. No be this kind of matter you go carry come meet your mama now they go beat you inside the matter. They go say why you go talk that kind of thing,
It's true,
especially
sir.
if the family they hot.
All right. Good evening. Thank you, Ahmed from Benin. Good evening. Ahmed, call us back. Our phone number is there on top of TV. But the thing be say true. I not go lie give you. Now what I dey try talk with Choma talk. She's okay. Maybe after the first time when they do am, say them continue do am. She's supposed to go report give the mama.
6-year-old. I get 6-year-old. I know
6 years old. You don't get any 6 years old we want enjoy.
You don't know anything.
Now pain.
You don't get
Now
sense.
pain you go
That
dey
one
go
fit
through.
tell
Wetin you
am
know?
say shh, no tell
Or
anybody.
if you tell somebody I go
Na
beat you.
normal
You don't get sense.
You understand?
You don't even know wetin dey happen.
Exactly. So that one they say make you no confess. Oh, this my earring. I don't accept the earring. Don't follow fake.
Drop him.
I don't drop him. This one when they say no confess for outside, I no agree. He must to confess outside. Yours in case. No,
See,
wait.
you don't go on that-
Wait. Yours in case you don't do them to somebody else or other people for outside when go fit open mouth because of the fact say they don't hold them for work. Say it's true. Say he do them to me. 5 years ago, or he do am to me 7 years ago.
Okay, you dey talk to make it be. Sorry, good evening, somebody. Gabriel, good evening from Benin. Gabriel.
Hello.
Gabriel.
How we dey?
Hey, we dey fine, Gabriel. How your side?
We thank God, though. Katim, I like it your dog chain when you put for neck, oh.
Who they laugh?
Maybe like wife. The two feet don't laugh. The wife don't laugh. Wait, Gabriel, who tell you this way you talk to?
Now winch laugh. You know that laugh.
You don't marry?
Now my wife, they laugh you, so.
Now your wife go tell you make you talk that thing, Abi?
No, not you.
So now you.
So now you.
Nedu.
Yeah, I didn't hear you.
Never answer.
That motto, when you take remote the press for that advert, when you want bring and come my house.
when you do waiting day for the advert, I go bring and come your house.
Okay. No wahala.
So for this matter now, what you get to talk about?
My brother, this matter, this one a taboo.
I dey tell you.
Not be waiting 2 years the year. But we will do it is now our tradition and our culture be this one. We'll do in culture way. No need to put them for religion way.
Okay.
Right? The ancestors will fight the generation where come out.
Exactly.
So what the man got to do now, make the girl open up to the family.
Okay.
Heaven not go for, then they will bring the boy come.
Brother.
Okay.
Then the boy will talk. Now good night will suffer food. But if it's too much now foul, he will suffer food and the boy will hear. So and the only thing be that.
All right. Thank you very much, Gabriel.
Think my wife will make you bring that dog chain come for a mo.
Which one of the dog chain?
Your own dog chain
for where? Which one? Dog chain they many. Point time out. May we know now.
Good evening.
Good evening, and the wife. Madam, good evening. So
you know they cook.
I like this. I just like everything about you. You are very beautiful.
Thank you, ma. You don't cook. You don't cook nice
food. This your boyfriend will stand near you where they worry you. Don't no manner. You are an easy beat. You must be my guy for there.
So, madam, you don't send me a bill.
No, I say I like you well. Now because of you, I watch this program.
Thank you.
You are an easy beat, so they do all the things. You know, see where we actually where they fall for road. See the motor where they control motor when they get tire.
Thank you very much. Good night. Good night. Oladele from Warri, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my brother?
I'm doing fine.
I beg this matter. What you get to talk about, I beg. Oladele, what you talk? Hey.
Let me call back.
I beg if you call us back because we don't hear anything when you talk. If you like say evil spirits, hold your line. Call us back or conversion akoko on adoyado. It's dragging it. Please call us back.
What is dragging in Nedu?
Akoko conversion. It don't matter, dog. It don't matter, dog. It don't matter, dog. It don't matter. Anyway, if you just join us for the night show, now the matter where one lady, those of you now when you say follow the show from Monday to today, when I know say somebody call say he wants them in problem to us, when we give them email. Now she not send them to the email, maybe she forget. Then she can send them to my Instagram. She send them to my hello, who they line? Emmanuel from Abuja. Good evening.
Good evening, Nedu.
Emma, how now?
I beg,
what you get to talk to about this matter? What you get to tell to this lady or the brother, the step brother, where do this thing? What you get to? What will be your contribution for the matter?
Yeah, well, before I continue, what happened to na drink? Now don't finish them.
We dash people.
So you be one of those where they hide the drink since.
You know say
what I look at no be small.
No, because that day when they do party for Easy Beats, now we use all of them.
You drink that day, what's happened?
Anyway, in case you just join us, no matter what concern one lady when he says send us message. Hello, who did the line?
Make we
okay.
You know, say, make we quick read the tweet
okay,
so that una can understand where to read it from.
Okay.
Sam Adeoye say Nedu, please tell people make them not bring family come their house. Now David brother son tell David son to rape his sister and Bibi. For Bible.
Yeah, for Bible.
Okay.
It's better like that. Many men don't destroy the life of so many ladies. Ladies when like woman and the pro today, they said they rape them when they day early. I beg now, both of them they at fault. Say simple lolo. 6-year-old picky wait on sabi bad thing. Why she not tell her mama or auntie?
Favor from Lagos. A simple lolo will come back to your matter. Favor, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my sister?
Nedu, this matter with like this, Mister it's very hard to.
My sister.
See, the only thing I can tell the lady is that she should call the family. If the guy no great confess, he should call the family so that he should let the family to know what is going on.
Okay.
Instead, so even call the family now, as it is, the guy say nothing happened, say na lie. They should leave the guy, make the guy see
Make
the
him like that.
When the thing hammer him, the guy go confess by himself.
When he hammer him like Whitlow don't do you?
No, Whitlow never do.
Let the lady clear her mind, because if he dey like that, the guy go die. He no go gree confess.
But how people get that kind of
Anyway, Favor, thank you very much. Mona from Jos, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my sister?
I do.
I beg, what do you get to talk about this matter?
This matter is serious, but to me, you people know that there's a saying that says forgiveness is not something we do for other people. That we do it for ourselves, that we get where and move on. So, men looking at this issue, the girl is still troubled about the matter.
Exactly.
For her to remember it too now, she's still troubled. So, she has to free herself by forgiving her brother. She don't need that open confession. Like the previous caller that said they can meet a pastor, both of them. And maybe she'll remind her brother what he did. And then he will just free herself by forgiving her. Because they are the same blood, no matter what happens. They are still brothers.
Step brothers.
Of course, and the brother is her step brother. But there's still a blood that is linking both of them. That is the same father.
Yes.
So she has to forgive, that she will free herself from that bondage.
What of the guy? The guy no go confess?
Like the previous caller that called
say maybe go meet pastor. Okay, all right.
And maybe they will meet a pastor. Maybe the brother has not forgotten about the matter.
Forgotten.
No, the guy never forget to, because
the guy no fit forgotten about the matter.
She tell the guy, make the guy confess so that he go get healing. The guy not really confess.
How person will get that kind of wicked?
He said no. You don't need that confession, sir.
Okay. Now your own now. You don't say make she confess, make she forgive the guy for her own sake.
Say she don't need the guy. Okay, Muna.
All right, Muna. Thank you very much. Now back to Temi Tokbe from Akure. Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
How you doing, my sister?
I did fine. Now well done.
Thank you, my sister. I beg, what you get to talk about this matter? What to discuss?
The thing what the one tell the lady say, make she forgive the guy. You see, they say to err is human. To forgive is divine. The guy now don't they suffer for all the thing when he do. But the girl too now, as she take the thing they her, she too they suffer. But if she let go of the past, because the past he don't pass. Make sure she can't move on with her life. Because if she do open confession now the whole world could come know. In future, go say that girl, you see that girl where they go? The stepbrother don't do them before.
Okay, it go be shame for her.
It go be shame for her. And you know, say this now Africa. The story go round. So make she let go, make she forgive the guy. If you like, make confess. If you like, make no confess. But make sure she move on with her life.
All right.
Because the past don't pass.
Tokpe, thank you very much. Thank you, Temi Tokpe. Vera from Warri, good evening. Vera from Warri. Sister Vera.
Yeah, Vera from Warri.
Good evening. How you doing?
We don't call you since nice. You know answer us.
We don't call you tired. Not great answer us now.
Hello?
Anyway, what you get to talk about this matter, Vera? Go on, hello.
Okay. The matter pertaining the girl and the boy. What I get to talk, we say, the girl, now do wrong pass. Because small girl like that, will be like, say, big boy of 15 years, they molest. He's supposed to tell him, mama, say, see what this person they do to me. The mama go call take note. They'll call find solution, they'll call stop the boy that time. But because say the girl they enjoy him and he wants her to continue, he not talk. So probably he don't see say the thing that they affect the boy now. the nemesis that they arrest the boy. Now quick they talk for public, say, see what they go on. So that the thing no go affect us too.
Okay,
so when me and see for inside there, the guy not get anything when you want forgive the boy or the boy forgive the girl because both of them are doing the thing. What did the two do? The nemesis don't catch the two. So may the two carry their chest, go meet God, may they confess their sin. So that God said go forgive them, may they say forgive themselves. So that the nemesis no go fall for the two heads. Now this one I see be that too.
All right, Vera, thank you. Now your own. Thank you. Now your own. Now how you take see the matter? Now you talk.
Like
Agbes from Makodi. Agbes. Agbes, good evening.
Like same and me.
Alpha, how your side?
Katim, for you.
I beg,
where
tell
your
us.
wife?
Where your wife?
They cook.
Now they cook. Now they cook. So,
this matter, tell us what you think about this matter.
Yes. I make my wife look up. The woman say, people will know for the whole world. So, what I can say, that's why I say they're not going to laugh you. Now, they will cry you. They better laugh you, they don't cry. Because if they don't laugh you, when they will cry, the wife say, well, that's you will die.
Yes.
They will cry you with that.
Yes.
Now that truth is naive. They better laugh you. If better person, they cry for you.
For you. They better laugh you.
This thing happened for my village. As they brought the boy, the market go in village.
Yes.
The first one they call Bob. When that boy called grow small, they call bigger come. As the bigger come for the village, he called Amma his sister. Okay. The senior one, he do her. After that one called travel, he called the second one day before the girl start to sick. Before we know, but as the company are called their confess, the key goes, the key foul, they are two called where today. All of them don't marry now. So when you take about they say, let their confess, the key goes, everything will finish. You don't have to go by village. Go. Now they make their confess. Make everything finish. If they're not there, they will cry there.
If the boy no confess,
as the boy no agree, as the boy no because the guy no agree confess. The guy say no go confess.
If the guy don't confess, the guy don't do it. He don't finish. If that boy not confess, if he really the boy not confess, okay, that boy is no go free.
All right, no wahala. Agbes, thank you very much. Emeka from Bayelsa. Good evening, my brother. Abeg, what you get to talk about this matter?
The problem is the little girl commit is an abomination.
What in the little girl or what in the boy commit?
And the boy equal the bottom. There's another thing to this problem. No, this thing people may be looking at it physically.
Okay.
But the most dangerous part of it is the spiritual aspect of it. Okay. Confess or no confess. After all said and done, the two of them need deliverance. Then the girl has to forgive the boy, let herself be free. Okay. Because she's just like a trailer carrying overload. That is why she's complaining. Okay. It is disturbing her spiritually and physically. And the young man may not even want to confess. He might even decide to die instead of confessing because it's a shame.
Yes.
But what the little some of the callers have said, the girl has to call the family member, explain what happened.
Okay.
Then it is left for the boy to free himself. But the girl, first of all, let the girl forgive the boy.
Okay.
So that she herself will be free.
Okay.
She's going to get married tomorrow.
Okay.
Then if she did not forgive the boy, that thing is a cause that might even follow her later. Let's say she's not suffering for it now, but it might come later.
All right. Emeka, so thank you very much.
Is for them to forgive each other and be free and go for deliverance so that all will be well.
All right.
Thank you, Emeka.
Emeka, thank you. And make we go markets now. Make we enter markets. When we come back, make we go markets. When we come back, we will continue it on top of the matter. Over to you, Easy Bit.
Now I'm unstoppable.